If you're looking for a very minimalist type of wedding hairdo, then one of these gorgeous premium quality zircon headbands, genuine platinum plated, may be of interest to you. If you haven't got an access to hairdresser or you don't want to spend too much money on a posh hairdressing, then simply creating a beautiful look, maybe curling your hair slightly or maybe creating a half updo or even putting your hair into a bun and then popping something like this into your hair will completely change the look and elevate it to a whole new level of glamour and style. And it is very DIY friendly. You don't need any bobby pins. You can move around, you can you can dance around. So it carries you from your ceremony into your wedding party, no problems. For you to enjoy yourself and shine like a star of the show.